Congratulations! If you're viewing this video, it means that we feel that you have a business that can really help people and make a genuine impact in the lives of others. And for that, you're about to see an incredible offer that has everything you need to get to the next level. The big question that's on the minds of today's business owners is, how do I increase my sales and my clients online in today's digital marketing age? Well, I have the answer for you in a very special offer that will solve that problem and help you increase your sales online without half of the stress and headaches that the majority of other businesses are experiencing and which cause most businesses to fail. The big challenge is, how do you get high quality content in front of people who are already interested in your services and have an action-based system already set in place that turns viewers into buyers, all while working, taking care of your home life, and pursuing your passion? If you want to solve the problem of fulfilling what's needed to market yourself successfully online while keeping your sanity, our business marketing plan is just right for you, because it gives you access to a dedicated full-service digital marketing team to operate your custom online marketing system, all for one low monthly price. So click the button below and fill out our short questionnaire where we'll see if you're a good fit for this program. And if so, you'll be prompted to schedule a call with our agency where we'll get to know more about your business and the results you'd like to see. So, who am I to help you with this? My name is Naeem, and I've been in digital marketing for over 7 years. I'm currently the project coordinator for Three Kings Media, and I've been responsible for dozens of businesses' success by implementing our business marketing system. From 7-figure businesses to budding entrepreneurs, our business marketing systems will locate and target exactly what needs to be done strategically to help you achieve the results that you need. And then our team will execute those actions and operate your custom marketing system, leaving you to focus on what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and the things that mean the most to you in life. So, what's a business marketing plan by Three Kings Media? Well, traditionally, businesses would hire huge marketing agencies who would craft a business's message in a way that will reach their ideal consumer who was already interested in those products or services. Now that we're in the digital marketing age, it seems that falls on you. The reason most businesses are hurting these days is because they're struggling to take photos, make videos, learn a plethora of apps, as well as craft their message in a catchy way. Rarely do they know how to reach their target audience or create a marketing system, let alone understand buyer psychology. In actuality, what you need is your own marketing team that can focus on producing high quality professional content and putting it in front of people who are already interested in your services and products in a way that makes them take action, whether it be booking appointments or buying your products and services while you focus on life. Your business marketing plan by Three Kings Media provides just that. From strategy to content, you won't just have a web designer or a social media manager, but you'll have an entire team that will create and operate your business marketing system in a way that generates leads and brings sales to your business. So basically, all the heavy lifting is done for you. So click the button below now and sign up so you can have access to your own digital marketing team before all of our available slots are taken. We can only dedicate our full team to a limited amount of companies, so secure this offer now before it's too late and you're back stuck trying to figure out how to do it all again. Who is this for? Well, all businesses need a strong online online presence. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a 7-figure business or anything in between, the fact is the majority of your buyers are in one place, and that's online. And if they don't know who you are, or better yet, if they don't trust you yet, then you give them no choice but to spend their money elsewhere on products and services that probably aren't even as good as yours. So do them and yourselves a favor and begin your business marketing plan today. The best part is you get a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with our services in the first 30 days, we'll completely refund your money. And you can even keep any of the marketing materials that we created for you. See, we just want you to be completely happy, and getting you results is our #1 priority. So go ahead and click the button below and grab your spot now. The sooner you start, the quicker those leads and sales start coming in. With your digital marketing plan, you'll receive a strategy based on your goals, a system installed and operated, custom videos and posts that will build trust, social media distribution, construction of a lead generating offer, social media account audit and optimization, landing pages, email collection, appointments and sales apps, a funnel constructed to collect sales, targeted delivery of contents and posts daily, monthly check-ins, progress reports, and in addition, some of the tools that you'll be able to create with your team includes digital products, digital courses, and even mobile apps. Begin your business marketing plan with 3 Kings Media right now by filling out the application below.